how to transfer Robux to another account. So here's what we have to do. Log in into your main account that you have the Robux on, and then click on create. Now here from this page, we want to click on creations from the left hand side, and then click on your place here. You should have a place no matter if you've made one or not. Now we want to scroll down until we see passes. So click on passes. And here we will just select create a pass. Now, depending on how much Robux you have, we don't have to set an image. We can set a name here. So transfer Robux. The description is optional and we'll just click on create pass. So after we have created this pass here, what we want to do is actually click on it, then go to sales. And here, check this item for sale and set the price. So for example, it is going to give you 70% of this. So there will be a withdrawal fee. So for example, if you have 1000 Robux and want to set this for 1000, you will receive 700. So you need to take that into account. But basically click on save changes here. And after you have successfully updated it, here's what we're going to do now. So I just opened up Roblox yet again here, and this time after we have put the pass for sale, we will search for please donate. Now here we just want to load up this game, so click on it, load it up, open Roblox game launcher here, and I'll explain what we're going to do next. So just give it some time to load up, and once we have the game loaded here, we want to find an empty stall. Dang, I look kind of chunky. So for example, this one, you want to go near it, hold E so you claim it, and here you will be able to see your game pass that you just created. I have these from previous videos, but this is the one that we want to focus on. Now what we're going to do is we will have to get either another PC or from our phone, or we can, if we are able to launch multiple instances of Roblox here, we want to create a new account or log into the new account here. So we'll just log out of this account and then add ourselves as friends with the new account, and we want to join the same server here for please donate. So with our account, if we go and get to this stand here, if we purchase this game pass that we've just created, then as you can see here, we will receive 700 Robux, and that's basically how you transfer over the Robux. So on the account that you want to transfer it, you will just, you will purchase this pass from yourself, and that's how you can do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.